In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Freshdesk dashboard to better align with your needs and preferences. Freshdesk is a dynamic customer support tool, and customizing your dashboard can significantly improve your ability to monitor and respond to customer interactions effectively. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to access your Freshdesk account. Start by navigating to the Freshdesk website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, fill it in, and then click Continue. This step is your gateway into the platform, ensuring you're entering the custom environment tailored for your company's unique setup. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Freshdesk homepage. Now you're looking for the dashboard. This is essentially your command center. To get there, simply click on the Dashboard option. The dashboard gives you an overview of everything happening with your customer support, tickets, performance metrics, customer satisfaction scores, and much more. Next, to begin the customization process, you'll want to locate and click on Dashboard View on the top left corner of your screen. This is where the magic of personalization starts. Here you're given the control to adjust what you see on your dashboard and how it's presented to fit your specific role or preferences. Feeling the need for a dashboard that's more aligned with your team's requirements? No problem. The next step is to click on New Team Dashboard. This option allows you to create a dashboard that caters specifically to your team's KPIs and metrics, ensuring you all have access to the data that matters most to your collective success. When you click on New Team Dashboard, you'll be prompted to give your new dashboard a name. Type in a name that clearly represents the purpose of this dashboard or the team it's intended for. Once you're happy with the name, click on Done. This step is crucial for keeping your dashboards organized and easily identifiable, especially if you'll be juggling between different views for different purposes or teams. Now that your dashboard has a name and exists, it's time to populate it with content. Add widgets and content that are relevant to your dashboard's purpose. Freshdesk offers a variety of widgets that can display everything from ticket volumes and response times to customer satisfaction scores and agent performance. Select the widgets that provide the data and insights your team needs to operate efficiently. This step is all about making the dashboard actionable and insightful. Finally, after you've customized your dashboard with all the widgets and information it needs, don't forget to save your work. Click on Save Dashboard to ensure all your customizations are retained and will be there the next time you log in. This action secures all the changes you've made and updates your dashboard view across all devices linked to your account. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to editing your Freshdesk dashboard. Remember, the goal of customizing your dashboard is to make it as functional and informative as possible, helping you and your team to be more productive and proactive with your customer support efforts. Feel free to revisit and tweak your dashboard as often as needed to keep it aligned with your evolving business needs and objectives. Thanks for watching.